Okay guys, so in this video we can start with the medium screen. The first thing we can do right here is to go to the HTML file. We can add HR here, reload. So now, where is the horizontal line? It must be here. Let's make it here. What about now? Okay, so now we got the horizontal line. After this part, we can give here dev with class of row, and then inside we can make dev, or we can just copy all of the previous, copies all. In this video we will make for the medium screen. Okay, let's go now to the CSS. What we can do as first is to add here the class of medium, md1. We can copy this part, just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, that's good. And now after this part, we can go to the grid.html and see what we can do for this part. Here we got the beginning, this to be medium, 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 medium. Okay. Okay, again. And now, the next mission is to go to the responsive design, just because here it will not be very good when we reach the screen. It will be always 1 and 11. Okay, so after this part, what we can do is to, just a moment please. Okay, we got something here for the response design because of this text. If we delete this text and this text, I think these ones we will be having no problem. So now when we go and do the responsive design, we can just copy this one, and very soon we will add a class of container to prevent this x-axis scrolling. We can copy this one from here and add some white space and paste it here. But instead of from this one, we can make from 992 pixels until we this one to be 768 pixels until we reach the 991.98 pixels. Instead of the small, I want it to be medium. We can just copy the medium, paste it here, here, again, yes, cancel. Okay, that's good. After this part, we've seen before, it will be column 11, column here. Where is it? Here. We've seen that it will be column 1 and 11 all the time. But what when we add these classes? We can go here. Let's go to the first one. Okay. We can print the line here, or just add dev margin bottom of 4, and here we can print the line. Okay, so now we got this distance. We can make this one to be for the medium and medium. As we've seen before, it will be always 1 and 11, but this was in case that we didn't add the responsive design for the medium screen. We can go and reload. When we go here, this was the small screen, we are having nothing different. But When we reach the medium, this will be having 1 and this will be 11. Okay, that's good. Now we can try for the second one. This one here. This one to be for the medium 10. This one to be for the medium. So now this one is taking the column 2. But when we reach the medium screen, this would be having the column 2. When we go here, this is the small screen without nothing different, but when we reach the medium, we are having this now with column MD of 2 and this with column MD of 10. We can make the screen small again. This one to be for the medium and medium. Let's see what we have here right now. This is for the column 3, but when we reach the medium screen, it will be column 9. Yes. Very soon. It's here. So now we got this with column MD medium and this to be column MD3. Let's try now for the green one right here. This to be medium and this to be medium. We just want to make sure that everything is working fine. We can save and go back. This one here. This is column 4, but when we reach the medium, we are having this with column MD8 and this to be with 4. Okay, that's good. We can go back. And for this one, we can just make this to be for the medium and medium. We can reload. Okay, so now this is having the column 5. When we reach the medium screen, it will be having column 7 and the second one will be having column 5. Okay, so here we got this column 7 and column 5. This is larger than that. And for the last one, this to be medium and medium. Save, go back, reload. So this will be always 6, so it will be making no sense. That's all about the medium screen. We can try now for the large screen. It will be very easy. We can just copy and paste because it became much easier right now. We can copy all of that right here. But let's go here and H1, the medium screen. We can copy this one right here. Okay, all of that and paste it here. This will be for the large screen. We can go to the CSS. Where is the end? From here. Call large and space. We can copy this class right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so now this is good. This is for the medium screen. We can just go up here, copy, we can make the screen larger. Okay, we can copy this one right here, and sorry, this one, and we will just edit the minimum width and the maximum width. We can add some white space, paste. This one to be from the 992 pixels. And then we can make for the 1199.98 pixels, which is the large screen. We have here the large, right? Yes. And then here we can type LG. We can cut this one, which is the large, paste, cancel. Okay, that's good. And here, large, large, and large. Okay, and here we can just change this one to be for, where is it? No, not this one right here. And we can scroll here and try for the large. This will be large, 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 and large. And then after this part, we can save and go back. This will be 11. This will be 1 until we reach the large screen, which is from the 992 pixels. We can go up here. Sorry, we can make the screen larger right here. So when we reach the 992 pixels, this is having the column 11 and this is having the column 1. We can try now for the second one, which is here, large, 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 and large. Save this one here. We can make the screen larger right now. Okay, when we reach the large screen, we are having this with 10 and this with 2. We can go back. The second one, which will be for the large 9, large, large, and large. And we can save, go back. So now we got this page, and where is it? Here. We can make the screen larger to see that if everything is okay or not. Okay, when we reach the large screen, there will be, yes, 3 and 9. And then here we got for the 8. We can copy this one, paste it here, here, and here. Save, go back. For this one, let's make the screen larger. Okay, this one here. So here we got column large 8 and column large 4. And of course inside we can add column small and medium. Then after this one here we got for large 7 and large 5. Reload this one here. When we make the screen, okay, for this one. So here we got the 7 and 5. And for the last one, we got here the, yes, where is it? This one here, large and large. This to be one for the large and for the large again. Save and go back. We can make the screen larger right now. It will be always column 6 and 6, so there is no difference with this part. The last column we got here is the column X large. We are done from the medium and all of that, and we will try now for the X large, which will be the last one. Or we can just make something different. We can make from the 1200 pixels to the 1399.98 pixels, and the XX large to be starting from the 1400 pixels. We can just copy this media, add some white space, paste it here, and this one to be from 1200 pixels until we reach the 1399.98 pixels. Then here, this will be for X large, X large, X large, X large, yes, again. until we reach the 12. Okay, that's good. Now we can go to the HTML file and we can copy all of this part right here. Did we add here an H1? No. H1, the large screen. And then we can copy this part right here. All of that. We can add some space right here. Delete the closure of the pie. So here we got for the large screen. When we go to the large, we got no problem with that. Okay, that's good. After this part, what we can do is to go where? To the grid system and add col x large and a number. We can copy this part because we can add here 1, 2, 3 until we reach the 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we can go to the X large screen right here. And this is the last one. Yes, this will be for the X large screen. Okay, good. And for this one to be for the X large, X large, X large, and X large. So it will be having the column 1 and 11 until we reach the X large screen. It will be having 11 and 1. We can make the screen larger. So now we got this for the X large screen, and now that's good. We learned about the medium and the large and all of that. I think we got something here. No, we got no problem. Okay, that's great. And then we can go here. No, we didn't refresh. This was the problem. Let's make the screen larger here. When we reach the X large, this one here is having column 1, and this one is having column 11, and this one is having the column 1. Let's make the screen smaller again. This one to be for the X large, X large, X large, and X large. Save and go back. Now we got this. Now we can make the screen larger to make sure that everything is working fine. So now we got here the column 10 and the column 2. We can test for this where? Yes, this one, no. This one, the red one. Expand. And here we can make it X large, X large, X large again, and X large. So now we got this. When we make the screen larger, so now we got this with column 3, and this will be column 9. We can try now for the green, this one right here, X large, X large, X large, and X large. Refresh. We can make the screen larger right now from here. Yes. So now we got this, and this is perfect. We can go back and try for this color. I think it was violet. X large, X large, X large, X large. Save, go back. When we make the screen larger, So here we got 7 and 5. The last one, which will be for the 6, it will be making no sense because it will be always 6. Okay, we don't need to test for the last one. We can just copy and paste in the media because it will be the same concept. Add some white space, but we can just delete this one, or we can delete the maximum and make this to be 140 pixels. And also here we got minimum height if we wish to add some height. Okay, that's all about this part. In the next video, we will add a div which is called container, so we can prevent some of this scrolling. We can open the inspect from here to see the scrolling starting from okay. I think it will start from the small screen. Yes, it's starting from the small screen, I think, but before the small screen, because the small screen is starting from let me see it. Let me see it again. It's starting from where? The 5, 6. Yes, it's starting from the small screen. In the next video, we will know how to deal with this part. So good luck and have fun.